Parang I need to up my standard. Bare minimum or princess treatment?
Pure Chinita edition. In TAF.
Driving her home all the way to QC from Binondo.
Bare minimum.
For me, bare minimum, it's not that far.
Yeah, I can drive that far.
Asking permission from Ama before going out. Ama is like, for me, princess treatment. Kahit mom and dad. Pero honestly, kahit mom and dad, di naman kailangan eh.
Mom and dad, bare minimum, amma princess treatment for me.
Picking you up after your org meeting, even if it's 10 p.m.
For me, 10 p.m. is not late, so bare minimum.
Kind of princess treatment.
Really? 10 p.m.?
Fine, princess treatment. Fine, but no princess treatment.
Bare minimum.
Parang I need to up my standards. Come join
Meet cute.
IRL.
RL. It's real life. It's real love.